Yes, brother, asking me very good question. MashaAllah, brother. Brother, before I answer your question, I just want to tell you, I'm not the ustad. I'm not the ulama. I'm just the only Muslim who won't remain the
Ramai
other.
di media
Do you
sosial
understand?
TikTok, seorang
Masya
pemuda
Allah.
membuat konten
No, brother.
menirukan gaya
Open the
penceramah
book.
Dr.
Open the
Zakir Naik.
Chapter number
Pemilik
3,
akun
verse number
@abanoval 2
6.
tersebut
That's it.
diketahui bernama Muhammad Naufal Fikrianur 23 tahun. Noval mengaku mengikuti dan mengagumi gaya ceramah Zakir Naik. Noval berharap suatu saat bisa bertemu dengan Dr. Zakir Naik. Diketahui saat membuat video tersebut, Noval bergaya seperti Zakir Naik, mengenakan peci putih, berjas hingga berkacamata. Sejumlah video yang diunggah ditonton ratusan ribu pengguna TikTok. Kepada tribunnews.com, pria asal Kalimantan Tengah ini juga menceritakan awal mula membuat konten mirip Zakir Naik. Namun kata Noval, kebanyakan meme tersebut mengandung konten rakjos atau komedi gelap.
Yes, brother, asking me very good question. MashaAllah, brother. Brother, before I answer your question, I just want to tell you, I'm not the ustad. I'm not the ulama. I'm just the only Muslim who won't remain the other. Do you understand? MashaAllah. Now, brother, open the book, Bahasa Indonesia, chapter number 3, verse number 60. That's it. Ini Budi, ini Bapak Budi, ini Ibu Budi. The Budi and the Bapak Budi and the Ibu Budi is not same. It's very different thing. Do you understand? Now do you ask me, can I change mandi wajib in mandi bola? No. The ball and the water is not same. The ball and the water is very different thing. Do you understand? Masya Allah. Now, brother, if you want mandi wajib, just take a water. Don't go to pasar malam and mandi bola. Naujubillah. Do you understand? Masya Allah. Now repeat me say in Arabic language. Ashhadu